Welcome back, everyone, to Simply Reliable Power, the place to be for all your power generation info and needs. Today, we're diving deep into something that might not sound super exciting at first, but trust me, it's really important. We're talking filtration, specifically about how crucial it is for your FG Wilson generator.
You got it. We often say it's like having an insurance policy for your generator, protecting it from all those nasty contaminants.
Okay, I get the contamination is bad, but can you kind of paint me a picture? Like, what kind of damage are we really talking about?
Well, imagine your generator. It's this finely tuned machine with tons of moving parts all working together perfectly. Now picture tiny bits of dirt, metal shavings, even little pieces of rock getting in there and just messing everything up.
I see what you mean. So all this gunk basically wears down the parts, leading to less efficiency and more fuel use.
Right, exactly. And it gets worse over time. Eventually, it can cause major breakdown, which means costly repairs and downtime for you.
Ouch. That's definitely not good. So we're not just talking about a small dip in performance. This could be some serious damage.
That's right. And the worst part is you might not even realize it's happening right away. A generator's efficiency can drop by a significant amount, like 20%, before you even notice something's wrong.
So it's like a silent killer slowly chipping away at your generator's lifespan.
You got it. And that's exactly why we need to understand contamination and how the right filters can protect your investment.
Okay, you've convinced me contamination is bad news.
Yeah.
But let's break it down. What exactly are these contaminants we're dealing with? You mentioned different types.
Yeah, we can split them into two categories. The first is dirt you can see, which is anything bigger than 40 microns. Think about weld, splatter, or paint chips, even loose nuts and bolts that might find their way into the system.
Okay, so that's pretty easy to understand. But what about the stuff you can't see?
That's where it gets tricky. Dirt you can't see is anything smaller than 40 microns. We're talking microscopic metal particles, silica dust, even tiny bits of rock and coal.
Whoa. So this stuff is so tiny it can sneak into even the smallest spaces and cause damage.
Exactly. To give you an idea, a human hair is about 80 microns in diameter. Now think about the oil film in a bearing, which is crucial for smooth operation. That's only 5 microns thick. These contaminants are unbelievably small, but they can cause huge GE problems. Now we know these tiny contaminants can really do a number on your FG Wilson generator. So the question is, how do we protect those generators?
Yeah, ignoring the problem is definitely not the answer. So
Yeah.
what can we do about it?
Well, the most important thing is filtration. But it can't be just any filter.
Right, makes sense.
Right.
So what's so special about genuine FG Wilson filters? Why can't I just grab any filter off the shelf?
There are a few reasons. First, genuine FG Wilson filters are made specifically for your FG Wilson generator Caterpillar, which owns. FG Wilson has done a ton of research to create filters that are perfect for their engines.
So it's like a custom-made suit,
Yeah,
not just something you pick up at the department store.
you got it. That perfect fit is super important for the generator to run its best. Generic filters might look similar, but they're not made with the same precision and quality control.
Okay, that makes sense. What else makes these filters stand out?
The filter material itself is another big factor. FG Wilson uses advanced technology that traps way more contaminants than standard filters.
So it's not just about catching the big stuff. It's about grabbing those tiny particles that cause the real damage over time.
Exactly. And to measure how well a filter does this, we use something called a beta ratio.
Beta ratio. That sounds a bit technical. Can you break it down for me?
It's actually pretty simple. A beta ratio tells you how good a filter is at removing particles of a certain size. For example, a beta ratio of 75 for 5 micron particles means that the filter can remove 98.7% of those particles.
So a higher beta ratio means a better, more efficient filter.
Right, you got it. And the CAT absolute filters that FG Wilson uses have much higher beta ratios than those standard filters. This means better protection for your engine and a longer life for your generator.
It's like having a bodyguard for your generator,
Yeah.
keeping those harmful contaminants away.
That's a great way to put it. And that protection is really important when you think about all the different places generators work in. Dust, dirt, moisture, even salty air. All these things can contaminate your system.
So picking the right filter isn't just about maintenance. It's about making sure your power supply is reliable and protected.
Absolutely. But with all the different filters out there, choosing the right one can be tough.
Yeah. How do we know which one's right for our generator?
FG Wilson makes it easy. They have a parts catalog that's like a filter matchmaking service. It has all the details on each filter, like the specs, the uses, and how often to service it.
That takes out all the guesswork. I like it.
Yep. It makes sure you're getting a filter that's designed to work perfectly with your specific generator and the environment it's in. And speaking of environments, let's talk about how different conditions affect which filter you need.
Yeah, a generator working on a construction site will need something different from one in a data center.
Right. Exactly. You need to think about the challenges your generator faces. For instance, if it's in a really dusty environment, you'll need a filter that can hold more dirt before it gets clogged and blocks airflow.
So it's like picking the right size trash can. You don't want it to overflow.
Exactly. And if your generator is somewhat clean, but you're worried about fine particles like silica dust, you'd want a filter that's super efficient, even if it can't hold as much dirt.
So it's all about finding that balance between efficiency and capacity, depending on where the generator's working.
Exactly. And the FG Wilson parts catalog has all the info you need to make the right choice. They even have filters for extreme conditions like high humidity or salty air.
It's like having a whole toolbox of filters, each one ready for a different job. But let's be real. Some people might still try to save money and go for a cheaper generic filter. What would you tell them?
I understand wanting to save money, but when it comes to filters, going generic is a big risk.
Right.
Remember those costs we talked about? More fuel use, higher chance of breakdowns, expensive repairs, and downtime. Those risks are even bigger with a cheap filter.
So it's like playing with fire. You might be okay for a while, but it could backfire big time.
Exactly. You might get lucky, but eventually that cheap filter will catch up with you, and the results could be disastrous.
Okay, point taken. Genuine FJ Wilson filters are the way to go, but even the best filters don't last forever.
Right. Of course not. Every filter needs to be replaced eventually, and knowing when to do that is just as important as choosing the right one.
So how do we know when it's time to say goodbye to those filters? Is there like a rule of thumb, or does it depend on the generator and how it's used? We talked about the dangers of contamination and how important it is to choose the right FG Wilson filters. Now let's get into keeping those filters in top shape and knowing when it's time to replace them.
You got it. Even the best filters have a lifespan. Knowing when to swap them out is key to keeping your generator running smoothly.
Okay, so how do we figure out that sweet spot?
Right.
Is there some universal rule for filter changes, or does it depend on the generator and how it's being used?
Well, FG Wilson has actually made it pretty simple. They have these detailed maintenance schedules that tell you when to service each type of filter.
So there's a roadmap to follow that makes things easier.
Exactly. And these schedules are based on tons of research and real-world data. They take into account things like the engine model, how it's used, the quality of fuel, and even stuff like temperature and humidity.
Wow, so they've really thought of everything to create a schedule that works for each specific situation.
Precisely. And the best place to find this info is your FG Wilson Operator's Manual. It's basically your generator's Bible full of info on maintenance troubleshooting and all the best practices.
Got it. So just crack open that manual, find the maintenance schedule, and follow the recommendations for each filter type. Sounds pretty straightforward.
It is. But remember, those schedules are just guidelines. Sometimes you might need to adjust the timing depending on how your generator is running.
Okay, so a little flexibility is key. What are some signs that a filter might need changing sooner than the schedule says?
Keep an eye out for things like a drop in performance, the generator using more fuel than usual, or a lot of smoke coming out the exhaust. Those could be signs that your filters are clogged and restricting airflow.
So it's about being aware of how the generator is behaving and noticing any changes.
Exactly. And don't forget about a good old-fashioned visual check. Pop the hood every now and then and take a look at your filters. If they're visibly dirty, damaged, or look out of shape, it's time for a replacement no matter what the schedule says.
Like checking the air filter in your car.
Yeah.
If it's all gunk up, it needs changing.
Perfect analogy.
Yeah.
Again, using genuine FG Wilson filters is super important. We've talked about why, but it's worth repeating. Generic filters might save you a few bucks up front, but they can really shorten the life of your generator.
Yeah, no point in risking your whole power system to pinch pennies on a filter.
Absolutely. Investing in genuine FG Wilson filters is an investment in the long-term health and reliability of your generator.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into filtration. I gotta say, I've learned a ton about these often forgotten but essential parts of power generation.
Glad to hear it. It's been great sharing this info with you. It's definitely a topic that deserves more attention.
So remember everyone, filtration isn't just another chore. It's crucial for keeping your power system running smoothly and reliably. Choose your filters wisely, maintain them diligently, and you'll always have the power you need.
And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Reliable Power for more expert insights and advice on all things power generation. Until next time, stay charged up.